Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, dear students? Wishing you a great day full of happiness and joy. I am your English teacher Leila from Junior Boys School Morning. Today we are going to complete unit number 2. By the end of the lesson, what will you learn? You will learn new words and meanings, read the lesson with correct pronunciation, and answer the given questions. As you know that the topic of our lesson is the rain. Previously we have learned that Jamal was sad because his children were hungry. He had no food to feed them and he was waiting for rain. जी लास्ट में हमने पढ़ा था, लास्ट लेसन में हमने पढ़ा था कि जमाल के बच्चे भूखे थे जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत उदास था और बारिश नहीं हो रही थी और उसका कुएं का पानी बिल्कुल खुश्क हुआ था जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी फसलों को भी पानी नहीं दे सकता था। सो इतना याद है सबको? गुड। नाउ वी मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स द टेक्स्ट। Before moving on towards the text, I am going to ask some questions. कुछ मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ ताकि मुझे पता चले कि आपने कितने अच्छे तरीके से लास्ट लेसन को सुना था। Should we move on? Okay जी, let's go. Where did Jamal live? Where did Jamal live? कहाँ रहता था जमाल? Yes children, very good. Jamal lived in a small village near Multan. Number 2 question is, how many children had he? How many children had he? Jamal के कितने बच्चे थे? Yes, you know the answer. Very good. Jamal had two children. Jamal had 2 children. Number 3 question is, why was Jamal sad? Why was Jamal sad? Yes, you know that. Very good. Give the answer. Yes, Jamal was sad because there was no rain. It means, very well done, but children, it means that you have learned the lesson and listened very carefully. Good. Excellent. Now, open your book, page number 92. I am going to read the lesson. You have to listen the lesson very carefully and you will move your finger along with the text. Put your finger on line number 1. The sun laughed down at him. The sun laughed down at him. There were no clouds. There were no clouds. Everyone was hungry. Everyone was hungry. After a few days, Jamal looked in the box again. After a few days, Jamal looked in the box again. 4 rupees. We have only 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. And then, said his wife, and then no food, said Jamal. They looked very sad. Suddenly, Jamal's wife touched her earrings. Suddenly, Jamal's wife touched her earrings. What about these? She asked. I gave you those on our wedding day, said Jamal. I gave you those on our wedding day, said Jamal. Jamal's wife took off her earrings. Jamal's wife took off her earrings. A tear dropped from her eye. A tear dropped from her eye. Sell them, she said. We need food. Jamal was very sad. But he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. Jamal was very sad, but he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. Suddenly he stopped. Rain! Rain! He shouted. The rain came pouring down. The rain came pouring down. Jamal was very happy. Now children, you have to read this page 2 times as I have taught you. Okay? Do reading of this page 2 times. Next we move on to new vocabulary. Yes, we are going to learn new words and their meanings. Our first word is hungry. 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 Feeling or desire for food. Bhuka. As you can see in the picture, the boy is thinking about food. It means कि वो भूखा है, उसके खाने का ख्याल आ रहा है. Hungry. Number 2 word is sad. Sad. Sad means not happy. उदास. जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं कि लड़की उदास है. क्यों उदास है? मेरे ख्याल से तो उसकी कोई चीज़ गुम हो गई है, इसलिए वो उदास है. आप क्या इस बारे में सोचते हैं? The next word is earrings. 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 A piece of jewelry worn on the earlobe. बालियाँ. आपने अक्सर अपनी मम्मा के कान में earrings देखे होंगे. So this is something the girls wear only. This is not for boys. So boys do not wear it. The word is earrings. Next word is tear. 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 Liquid produced in the eyes. Liquid produced in the eyes means आंसू. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं दोनों बच्चों के आइस में आंसू हैं. मेरे ख्याल से इन्होंने आपस में लड़ाई की है. So they have tear in their eyes. The next word is suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly means unexpectedly, अचानक. Yes, in the picture you can see that the lion came out of nowhere in front of the man and he is afraid. पिक्चर में आपको नज़र आ रहा है ना, शेर अचानक से आदमी के सामने आ गया और वो डर गया है. तो suddenly means अचानक. The next word is wedding. 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 A marriage ceremony. शादी. आपने अटेंड की होंगी ना अक्सर अपनी फूफो की, खाला की, मामू की शादी. तो बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं हम शादी में. Yes, we enjoy a lot. So this is wedding. Now have you understood these words and the meanings? That's very good. Now we move on to question answer session. I am going to ask question और आपने complete sentence में उसका आंसर देना है. One word में आंसर नहीं देना. Understood all? You have to give answer in the complete sentence, not in one word. So our first question is, why was there no water in Jamal's well? Why was there no water in Jamal's well? जमाल के कुएं में पानी क्यों नहीं था? Yes, think about it. We have read before. Oh yes, very good. There was no water in Jamal's well because there was no rain. जमाल के कुएं में इसलिए पानी नहीं था क्योंकि बारिश नहीं हुई थी. There was no water in Jamal's well because there was no rain. Good. Number 2 question is, what did Jamal do every day? What did Jamal do every day? Yes, think about it. You have seen in the picture also. Yes, good, very good. Every day Jamal looked at the sky. Every day Jamal looked at the sky. जमाल रोज़ाना आसमान की तरफ देखता था. Number 3 question is, why did Jamal go towards the town? Why did Jamal go towards the town? शहर की तरफ क्यों गया था जमाल? जी, कौन बताएगा क्यों गया था? Yes, think about it. Good, very good. Jamal went towards the town to sell the earrings. Jamal went towards the town to sell the earrings. जमाल शहर की तरफ सोने की बालियां बेचने के लिए गया था ताकि वो अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ खाने का इंतज़ाम कर सके. Excellent work, children. It means that you have completely understood the lesson. Now, your home assignment is you have to do reading of unit number 2, The Rain, and at least practice reading 2 times with correct pronunciation. And learn dictation of all the difficult words on page 91 and 92. So learn the dictation of all the difficult words, and I am going to take the dictation next time. So be ready. In the end, I would like to say that take good care of yourself and your family. अपना और अपनी फैमिली का बहुत ख्याल रखना है. Give proper attention and time to your study. जी, this is very important point. आपने जो छुट्टियां आपको इतनी हुई हैं इसमें आपने अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना, बल्कि आपने देखना है कि आप किस चीज़ में लैग कर रहे हैं, कौन कौन सी वीकनेसेस हैं आपकी, और स्टडी के ऊपर आपने पूरी अटेंशन देनी है ताकि आपकी वो वीकनेसेस दूर हो सकें एंड यू कैन ओवरकम दैम. So I hope you will act upon my advice. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.